The Tin Man of Oz complained that he lacked a heart. In fact, he also lacked a Forest Master tool. The sliding, slatted structure directs the falling tree in the opposite direction of the woodsman. Of course, nothing can be done without prior preparation, including cutting the tree and cutting a groove for the stop. Then the hand-driven hydraulics come into play. As the piston straightens, it drops the tree. The task is completed, and the risks are minimized. By the way, the Forest Master can also be used as an ordinary jack. If you have to deal not only with thin maples but also with thick poplars, it will help to stack logs into more or less even log piles. Peeling off old wallpaper or 10 coats of paint is not an easy task. Of course, the path of least resistance suggests that it's better to give up and do the 11th coat. But do professionals do that? Absolutely not. They opt for a 3-disc EPF router. It acts fast and as cleanly as possible for a router. Like a C-clam, it sucks on the wall and scrapes off the old coating. And the paint debris is sucked up through a hose into a device that works like a home vacuum cleaner. The maximum penetration depth of EPF 200, 3 blades is 0.2 inches, but no one forbids to go over the same place several times. This device is a direct competitor of the previous one. The roller from Wagner is designed to apply paint in places where you don't want to leave unnecessary marks. It differs from cheap rollers and construction store rollers in that it doesn't need to be dipped into a tray. The paint is pumped into a bulb under the handle and delivered directly to the spool under a slight pressure. Dense plastic covers on the sides of the roller protect door jambs, window frames, and furniture from paint splashes. Accordingly, the tedious preliminary work of covering the interior with newspapers loses all meaning. The cost of the roller is $25. What to do if the plastic pipe is not stretched on the connection? The only way out is to expand it, but with what? Simple heating can damage the plastic, making it leaky. Handy tools inserted into the hole will create the wrong pressure and again provoke damage. The expansion toolkit comes to the rescue. The worker is required to put a protective ring on top of the pipe and insert the spout of the tool inside. A flick of a switch and the cone-shaped spout begins to rotate and expand. After 45 minutes under pressure, the pipe should take the desired size. The expansion toolkit costs $500. German engineers have once again perfected what seemed impossible to perfect. The magnetic attachment on the screwdriver bit allows the screw to be held securely, eliminating problems with balancing the screw. A fine height adjustment helps you determine how deep you need to plant it. It is convenient to monitor the process through a window in the plastic ring. A stainless steel Torx bit is included. It prevents damage to the head of the screw, which usually becomes the cause of rust. The bit costs about $11. This plastic pipe welder is exactly twice as efficient as the ones lying on the bottom shelves in construction hypermarkets. It works not only with the inserted pipe, but also with the receiving plug or adapter. The body of the device has 3 sleeves for pipes of different diameters. On the left, the pipe itself is inserted and the device melts its upper edge, and on the right, the adapter or plug is put on and the device softens the plastic inside. 5 seconds and everything is ready for gluing. Who wants to try to break such a connection? The cost of the machine is $79. A real man always knows in which drawer his drill set is stored. Thick, thin, who knows when they may come in handy in the household. Of course, drills should be sharp and ready for any task. But sharpening a drill bit with the same machine as a kitchen knife is unrealistic. The compact sharpener from Sparta defies a common problem. The device is attached to the drill itself and uses its pull to sharpen the drill bit. The sharpener is designed for all the most popular drill bit sizes. Inside is an ordinary sharpening stone. When it starts to wear off, it is recommended to put in a new one. The price of the sharpener is $6.5. Getting the wires in neatly is a science. Of course, the most aesthetically pleasing option is to hide them all under the skirting board. However, if we are talking about an office space where old and new cables are constantly being removed, it is necessary to look for a simpler solution. For these purposes, a special stapler is created. It fits in one hand. The force of pressing is regulated by a lever. The manufacturer claims that the stapler withstands shocks and falls, does not overheat, and does not jam. True, it works only with staples of the company Klein. The cost of the stapler is $40. Everyone who has cut laminate flooring is well aware of the complexities of this process. Sawing laminates with a manual hacksaw is hard and time-consuming. An electric jigsaw digs into the material with such speed that it can tear off thin connectors. But finally, there is a device that cuts laminate and parquet neatly. The Pro Multifloor cutter works like a guillotine. The knife descends onto the board and slices it like butter. There is no noise, no sawdust, and no beveled edges. If guests are wondering how they manage to lay the floors so neatly, they can safely reply that the technology has been tried and tested since Louis XVI. You don't have to be a bricklayer to get the perfect coat of putty. Just buy a British Quickpoint turbo spray gun. It is mounted on a drill and carefully squeezes out of the narrow nozzle of the mixed solution. Freshly softened putty evenly fills the cracks in the masonry. The manufacturer recommends using a drill with a speed of 1,000 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, powered from a socket, but a battery bottom line will do. When using it, it's important to watch the gun to make sure it doesn't clog. The Quickpoint Turbo has been for sale for well over a year, so there are plenty of reviews. The starting price of the gun is about $285. Uncoiling a cable drum weighing 1.5 tons is another puzzle for a construction worker. Of course, you could roll it around the workshop, but the Department of Labor Protection would probably object. A way out was found by the company Cabellmat. They invented a treadmill for coils. It is in the form of two small platforms 30 inches long and 11 inches wide. One worker with a ruler in his pocket is enough to transport and install them. The platforms fit exactly under the protruding sides of the spool and rotate smoothly on smooth bearings. All a person has to do is turn on the cable pulling machine and play the Limp Bizkit song Keep Rollin'. Directional air works wonders. It lifts airplanes, entertains a skydiver in an aero tube, and of course, helps fight moisture and dust. Milwaukee's simple vacuum cleaner attachment is designed to knock foam and drip off your car after washing. The nozzle is designed with two types of attachments, bolt-on and snap-on. All you have to do is hook it to your vacuum cleaner and declare war on moisture. The cost of the attachment is $5. City dwellers are constantly watching utility workers opening manholes. This is an entire special operation that requires coordinated action. The first specialist picks up the manhole with a crowbar. The second intercepts it and rolls it aside. The lift plaque invention helps to simplify this task. With it, even one utility worker can easily move the manhole. It is enough to roll up the cart, hook the cover with a magnet, and pull it out. Lift plaque avoids back strain when lifting loads of up to 240 pounds. With a maximum permissible weight of 990 pounds, it is better to work in a team. The authors of the project guarantee that the magnet will not lose its pull after many years of service. The device is painted in red and yellow colors, which makes it more visible on the road for the safety of workers. Another device on today's list that will interest the professional and surprise the average viewer is the steel plate clamp. The design includes a body, a cam, and a pin. The function of the lifting shackle is performed by the cam itself, providing a reliable fixation of the load during lifting. Before using the clamp, the thickness of the sheets to be lifted should be measured. Careful work likes precision. Having set the dimensions, driven in and secured the pin on the backside, you can start lifting. The sheets are held by the pressure created by their own weight. No electricity, just the laws of physics. The Makita electric earth drill is indispensable for building fences, sheds, and other garden infrastructure on piles. It will save a lot of time for those who are going to work with a shovel. It is also suitable for geologists, for example, for tasks related to the collection of soil samples. But you have to remember that the drill is aggressive. It is ruthless to the earth it throws out. It is sold in 2 sets with a 36-volt battery and a pair of 40-volt batteries. The drill operates in 3 modes: slow with up to 400 revolutions per minute, fast up to 1,500 revolutions per minute, and cleaning mode. Manufacturers assure that the drill is not afraid of frost and moisture. The price for it starts from $1,000. What sets the ESAB Renegade Volt apart from its competitors is that there are no wires running to it. Is it necessary to explain that welding is the most energy-consuming process? The authors of the project delicately keep silent about the time that the device can withstand on a single charge, but proudly note that it is able to deliver up to 150 amperes, and from the outlet as much as 200 amperes. In total, the unit is equipped with 4 ESAB-based batteries, which are assembled in a separate unit. The unit is attached to the block with snap fasteners. It accelerates instantly, and thanks to the constant current provides an even seam. Of course, there is a display, but how to look at it through the mask? The price for the Renegade Volt starts at about $4,000. This novelty will be appreciated by employees of large industrial enterprises. It will be especially useful where there are no gantry and overhead cranes, or maybe there are, but they are already used in production. Electric hoist, or simply put rafters, perfectly crawls on the chain and drags loads. When assembled, it is housed in a special case. The kit includes the rafter itself, the remote, and the chain. There are no cables because the device works from a battery. The maximum distance that the remote control signal penetrates is 59 feet. Some people will find it not enough, while others will find it enough to lift the pipe under the ceiling of the workshop. The wind is whipping your hair, the wheels are rustling nicely on the ground, and the engine is revving up. No romance, it's just a description of routine work in the backyard, but not with ordinary garden tools, but with a wheelbarrow from Makita, which looks like a real off-roader. It has a wicked tread, a payload capacity of up to 300 pounds, and 3 travel speeds. It runs on 2 18-volt batteries. However, In the hill, the wheelbarrow cannot transfer more than 390 pounds of cargo, and the built-in hydraulics tilts the body only at 75 degrees. It is necessary to bring the mechanism manually up to a full 110 degrees. The wheelbarrow has all 4 wheels because 2 wheels cannot hold such a beast. When choosing tools for home renovation, construction, or repair projects, it pays to look for quality, reliability, and functionality. In this video, we offer a wide selection of professional tools, from power tools to hand tool kits, to help you tackle any task with confidence. No matter what your level of experience, quality tools will help you achieve great results. The first item on our list is the E-Tape 16, a modern electronic measuring device that provides accurate measurements. It features a digital display for easy reading of results and automatic recording of measurements. Additionally, it automatically tracks size and temperature changes for more precise results. The E-Tape 16 is lightweight and easy to use, making it an ideal tool for both professionals and hobbyists. The E-Tape 16 is an innovative and convenient device that is perfect for use in construction, architecture, renovation, design, and other areas where precise measurement is required. It is an ideal solution for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency in their work. The Probst Knee Seat KS revolutionizes ergonomic work practices in construction and landscaping. This innovative tool significantly reduces strain on workers' knees and back by providing a mobile kneeling and seating solution for ground-level tasks. The Knee Seat KS combines a sturdy, adjustable frame with comfortable padding, allowing users to switch seamlessly between kneeling and sitting positions without standing up, optimizing productivity and comfort. One interesting feature of this product is its lightweight yet durable construction, which makes it easy to transport and use across various job sites. Additionally, it is equipped with wheels for mobility, which supports workers in laying bricks and tiles or engaging in gardening with less fatigue and discomfort. The safety nailer is a simple yet highly useful tool for safe and efficient nailing and stapling. It protects your fingers from injury and impact, making your work safer and more comfortable. Additionally, the safety nailer reduces the risk of material damage and increases nailing accuracy. This device is particularly valuable in industries such as construction, renovation, and woodworking that involve working with nails. Users have praised the convenience and effectiveness of the safety nailer, making it an essential tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Camo Drive is a concealed fastening system for floorboards that allows for fast and durable installation. Its unique design carefully conceals the fasteners, resulting in an aesthetically pleasing floor surface without visible holes or fasteners. This system ensures a perfectly flat and smooth floor. Camo Drive is weather-resistant, providing secure fastening and durability. It is an excellent solution for builders, designers, and hobbyists who value the quality and appearance of their floors. The Logan F504 is a tool designed for professionals to insert pedals into picture frames quickly and efficiently. It provides stable fixation of the image inside the frame, keeping it in perfect condition. As a result, your work of art will be presented to the public in all its glory. The functionality of the Logan F504 makes it indispensable in the art and creative industries. The tool's high quality and ease of use make the framing process enjoyable and ensure your artwork is preserved for years to come. M18 Fuel Drain Snake is a powerful tool designed to efficiently remove clogs in pipes. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it ensures reliable operation even in demanding conditions. Its compact design and lightweight make it easy to use, while the comfortable handle provides maximum control during operation. This tool is perfect for professional plumbers and offers quick and efficient service in drainage systems. Wacol 90 is a cordless applicator designed for applying adhesive from tubes to floors in houses and apartments when laying parquet. Model 90 from the German brand Wacol compresses the tube, saving time and effort for the operator and allowing for the application of a thin and even layer of glue. Interestingly, the Wacol 90 is suitable for use with a variety of adhesive types, including rigid, flexible, and non-elastic. The applicator weighs less than 13 pounds, making it convenient to use. It is worth noting that you can work comfortably in a standing position. This professional tool costs around $2,000. The brush grubber is an agricultural tool that can remove shrubs, small brush, and trees with roots up to 6 inches in diameter. It provides a simple and effective way to eliminate unwanted vegetation without the use of powerful machinery or chemicals. The brush grubber's innovative design allows it to securely grip and pull trees, ensuring that roots are safely removed from the soil. The brush grubber is a convenient and effective tool for farmers, loggers, and ranchers to cultivate land. It is compact, lightweight, and affordable. The Jokari Quadro professional tool is a high-quality device for stripping and crimping cables. It is compact, robust, and ideal for electrical and telecommunication applications. The Jokari Quadro provides precise and clean insulation cuts, keeping the wire intact and safe. Its ergonomic design and rugged construction make it easy to use and durable. Due to its versatility, this tool is suitable for different types of cables and wires, making it an essential tool for electrical professionals. The Jokari Quadro is a reliable and cost-effective helper. The Master Piuma P3 is a professional tool designed for cutting ceramic tiles and glass. Its innovative design and high-quality materials make it the ideal choice for working with large and thin tiles. The Master Piuma P3 provides high precision and clean cuts thanks to its special tungsten carbide roller, which can easily cut even the hardest materials. Additionally, this tool is equipped with a convenient marking system that allows for quick and accurate measurement and cutting of tiles to the desired size. The Master Piuma P3 is compact and lightweight, providing convenience and ease of use. It is an indispensable tool for professionals in the construction industry. Doer is a tool set designed specifically for cutting boards. It includes a high-quality saw with teeth that cut wood cleanly and accurately. The set also includes sturdy clamps and guides to ensure stability and precision when working. The Doer allows you to cut boards professionally and quickly, making it ideal for construction, repair work, and hobbyist projects. The Doer kit enables you to perform a variety of wood-cutting jobs with ease and efficiency, achieving professional results. When selecting the right tools for your projects, make sure they meet your requirements in terms of quality and functionality. Invest in high-quality tools that will serve you for years to come and help you achieve great results. We hope that the range of tools we have presented will help you realize your creative vision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss our next journey. As always, thanks for watching, and stay inquisitive and stay informed. Until next time, friends! A curious law has been passed in the American state of California. Solar panels are now compulsory on all new residential buildings up to 3 stories high. We are waiting for similar laws in other parts of the planet because the trend is worldwide. Solar energy production grew by 24% last year. So sellers of these testers won't be out of money. They are customized just for photovoltaic systems and allow you to spend literally seconds on tests. The test sequence is automatic. You can check insulation resistance, short circuit current, and other important points. And the price of the device is about $1,700. And this tool is often sold under the name digger. It is needed for installing supports, for example, under road fencing, signs, fences, and all that. The model screen is equipped with a 2-stroke gasoline engine for 52 cubic centimeters and, thanks to the adapter rings, is relevant for support diameters from 1 to 4 inches. As a bonus comes a square adapter, and the price for such a tool is in the neighborhood of $1,000. If the woeful builders missed, let them take the next tool and take everything out. And luckily, even Y-shaped posts will come out without damage. No automation, so instead of horsepower, it's human power. You'll have to work with your legs. There are 2 versions available, regular and heavy duty, designed for tough conditions like clay soils, except they quote a price upon request. How much will you give? Japanese specialists from Ryobi are not lagging behind. Their arsenal includes this cordless bolt cutter designed to replace handheld models. It is compatible with 18V plus batteries, the same ones found in over 280 Ryobi tools, so availability won't be an issue. It offers 200 cuts on a single charge on diameters up to 0.4 inches, optimal visibility of the cutting area, and separate forward and reverse buttons. Decent for $130. Motorists know that pumping the brakes is not so much a complicated affair as it is one that requires 2 people. You need someone on command, pressing the pedal, and this process is not that rare. Air can be in the system and when changing the brake fluid and after repair. If there is no one to help and you are too lazy to go to the service station, you can look at this pump. By the way, it is recommended for workshops. Vacuum workers come with a 2-meter hose. From leaks will protect the shutoff valve and quickly drain the spent liquid will allow a mini lid. The price tag is about $300. Werner Company is one of the world's leading manufacturers of ladders for working at height. The gap is such that the company believes their ladders are used on construction sites more often than all others combined. Let's take a look at the Aero series. These are fiberglass ladders with the slogan, "Lightness without compromise." They are 25% lighter than conventional ladders, but they have not lost in reliability. The 5-meter model weighs 30 pounds and holds a load of up to 374 pounds. The available model has a length of up to 32 feet. The exclusive box lock technology and special grippers, including subwires, are responsible for reliable fixation, what electricians need because the ladder does not conduct current. The price tag for a 5-meter ladder is $470. Next in line is the removal of a variety of coatings by induction heating. In simplified terms, it's all about the alternating magnetic field. In this field, electrically conductive materials heat up and are much more willing to part with coatings. Vinyl or Chartex 7 epoxy, which even protects against hydrocarbon fire, is no problem. And the precise control of the working area allows you to work not only quickly, but also accurately. In addition, this method solves problems with rusted bolts, pressing out bearings, even fixing dents, so it is used by a wide range of craftsmen from plumbers to mechanics. Disinfecting at the airport? Easy. Humidity control in a guitar factory? No problem. Treating plants in greenhouses? No problem. $270 for a sprayer like this, and you can start thinking about your own business. The seller offers so many scenarios that the purchase will obviously not be idle. After all, the size of the drops is adjustable up to 50 micrometers, about the thickness of 2 hairs. The consumption of the mixture is realistic to bring up to 10 gallons per hour. One refill is enough for 27,986 square feet, and a modest weight of 8 pounds will allow you to comfortably carry the sprayer as a backpack. The patented design ensures comfortable work for both right and left-handed users. The tool weighs 3 pounds. It is convenient to work with one hand. I recommend this stapler for work with breathable membranes, felt, and roofing felt. Capacity of 160 staples per 0.4 inches is enough for both home and commercial work, and the plastic caps, which are also patented, prevent potential damage to the material. Is it realistic to turn hours of drill work into minutes? The creators of the Rapid Drill system believe it is. The trick is the special frame on which the drill is mounted. Convenient, practical, plus about 992 pounds of additional leverage. And the drill bits last longer too, thanks to the optimum working angle. From car mechanics to metal workers, the system will be useful to many people and of course has already been patented, so they did not trifle with the price. $660. Good from the list of compatible drills on the site laid out. Do not have to buy at random. Some are preparing a flight to Mars, and some are reinventing the hammer. And while the former will be sometime later, the latter is already on the shelves for just $20 a pop. It's essentially a hammer multi-tool. It is ready to roll angle, nailer, hex screwdriver, ruler, and the all-important bottle opener. It's good at the basic profile too. You can hammer all you want, as there are 3 striking plates. Plus, all this pleasure weighs 14 ounces and thanks to the clever shape does not take much space. So in the gallery, we found camping and even beach photo shoots. The German engineers at Metabo have also decided to build something special and have reinvented the compressor as a result. Let's go over the features. Up to 200 pounds per square inch, that's almost 14 atmospheres. Best-in-class pressure. Simultaneous connection of 2 nailer guns. Oil-free design, which means easy maintenance. And all of this is packed into 41 pounds of weight. That is 22% lighter than many competitors. The work of the engineers has been appreciated. Pro Tools Innovation Awards 2020 plus the title of Best Value for Money from Pro Tools Review. Speaking of price, it's about $200. Typical story. You need to carry a not too heavy but inconvenient load like a ladder, a gas cylinder, or a chipboard board. A simple but also patented solution comes to the rescue: the lift lander. It not only simplifies carrying but also reduces the risk of injury and sells for a modest $20. The plastic helper weighs less than 10 ounces and at the same time will help with cleaning, for example, if you need to lift furniture and cleaning gutters. So it is appropriate not only in the bag of the builder but also in the home arsenal of tools. Another development for tilers is the mini vibrator for maximum workload. It is an Italian battery-powered version capable of working 200 squares on a single charge, and thanks to 3 removable handles, it is comfortable to work with 1 or 2 hands. The rubber plate will not leave marks on the tiles, and due to the high frequency of oscillation, you can take even tiles with cutouts and holes without fear. The price is $670. A typical porcelain stoneware tile with a thickness of about 0.3 inches weighs about 44 pounds per square yard. This is not a small amount, but there are also heavier variants sold. Granite alone is worth it. So when it comes to leveling and sealing seams, it is worth pulling out the trump card in the form of this system of suction cups and guides. It is effective even on rough surfaces and regulates the pressure itself. And if necessary, the suction cups can be removed and used separately. One suction cup of the Nemo Grabo model, by the way, will hold even 375 pounds of ceramic tiles or glass. This is an excellent indicator taking into account that the price for the complete system exceeds $1,000. This spreader is a good one too, and is relevant all year round. It's useful for seeds in the spring, fertilizer in the summer, and salt in the winter. Where without patents? The developers have protected a special disc that gives a spreading range of 19 feet. They have not forgotten about convenience. Even a full load of 35 pounds feels sane thanks to an adjustable system of straps. The price is $150, and if you're too lazy to rotate the handle, a cordless version is available. The range will rise to about 26 feet and the price to $250. The final versatile flashlight is appropriate in almost any location, from personal workshop to camping. 2 brightness levels, 90-degree adjustment, and 5 hours of runtime on a single charge are well worth it for $50. A nice bonus: fast charging half an hour and the battery is full again, and the weight of 12 ounces and several loops will allow you to easily fix the flashlight, at least on a nail in the wall or on the belt.